In a world of instant gratification, our brains are addicted to quick dopamine hits. But this addiction silently kills your focus and potential. Welcome to Dopamine Detox. Dopamine is a feel-good chemical responsible for motivation and reward seeking. It can reduce your brain's ability to function without artificial rewards. Your brain is like a smartphone battery. Overuse drains it fast. To reclaim focus, we need to reset. In 2025, AI-driven content makes deep work harder. The question is, are you in control, or is dopamine controlling you? Dopamine Detox resets your brain's reward system by eliminating high-stimulation activities temporarily to regain sensitivity to natural rewards. Identify your triggers, set a detox period, replace high dopamine activities, avoid replacement addictions, reintroduce stimuli mindfully. Imagine waking up with clarity, free from the urge to check your phone. This is the power of dopamine detox: more focus, motivation, enjoyment, and clarity. In 2025, mastering dopamine control is crucial for thriving amidst AI-generated distractions. Those who don't will be controlled. Try a dopamine detox for 24 hours, share your experience, and join us for more self-improvement content. Don't forget to like and subscribe.